Session statistic settings. Okay, so for the defined session, you can get different statistics. You can display the range stats, which you can see that's already displayed here. And then you can display the average of the range, the standard deviation. You can show the open to high, the average open to high, the open to high of the standard deviation, the open to low, the average open to low, and the open to low standard deviation. Now, the average is based on how much data is on your chart. So if you have 10 sessions worth of data on your chart, it will be an average of those 10 sessions. So let's set this to true. And it shows the range on my chart because I've loaded an OSF file and it already had the range assigned to it. So we're going to show the range average, and we'll show the open to high. Now, it can get pretty busy if you start showing a bunch of these, so you'll want to decide what makes the most sense for you. Okay? And then you can change the display, the color, transparency, font, and those associated things. And you've got the average length here. So the average length says how many sessions worth of data that you want to average. So the default is 14. So you would want to have at least 15 days worth of data on your chart. If you want to do a longer length than 14, obviously you have to make sure that you have the appropriate number of days, because if you only have 5 days on your chart, you're not going to get the information that you need. So we'll just set this to something different. We'll set it to, let's say, 21. And let's see what we get. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got quite a bit of information. We've got our range, we've got our range average, and our open to high average. So that shows all down here, and you may need to play with the colors to make it easier for you to see. But that's an example of all the statistics, overview for those, and it's for the session. And in this case of the open range breakout, it's just the range of the first candle in the open range breakout. It's not the entire shaded section.